I'm at the IBC 2024, and one of the hot topics we picked up last year was the development of the DVB-I standard from DVB. And this year we're going to continue, and we're going to see what have happened since last year and where is the German TV platform in terms of implementing the services from DVB-I and the technology behind. And Thomas will give us an update on this.
So recently the German TV platform, Deutsche TV-Plattform, they published a document, a description of relevant use cases, so-called highlight use cases for DVB-I, which is the whole story for the complete TV value chain in Germany. So it's about 10 highlight use cases, and the second one is discoverability, prominence and regionalization. And this is our main showcase here, and I can move it here to this slide. So we have in Germany the challenge, we have 16 federal states, we have 9 regional public broadcasters, and the 9 regional public broadcasters has 27 local variants. And in addition to it, we have over 80 local TV stations. And so for prominence is a very big issue. And it could be solved with DVB-I and with the public value recommendation of the German media authorities. And it's shown here in this table. So we have here the program numbers from 1 to 8. And the very interesting thing is that on the number 7 and 8 we have dynamic slots. So we can make a request by postcode. So this means the user is able, if they make a first-time installation of the TV, that they can enter the postcode of their living place, for example Munich or Cologne or Berlin, and then they are getting the right order of a service list. And then the right regionalized public broadcaster is placed on 7, and the necessary local one is placed on 8. So this is, we think, a very good opportunity for regional and local content to improve the prominence. Okay, now we are making a deep dive into the machine room. What you can see here is our editor and aggregation system, which we are running currently in Germany. And we have here for the input all partial service lists. This means in Germany, all the broadcasters are responsible for their own service lists. For example, the both big public broadcasters or the big 2 commercial broadcasters, as well as the local TV stations. So they are feeding their service lists containing the services and the additional services. And in addition, we have a description of the distribution areas. We got it from the broadcasters, as well as I already mentioned, the public value recommendation. And now we are able, by a postcode request, that we can offer the service lists depending on the postcode with the right order of all services. So this slide shows the road to the market. So currently we had a very successful German pilot phase 1, and we won 2 prizes last year, an IBC award and an HBB TV award. Then we moved into the phase 2, and phase 2 was building up an infrastructure for Germany. Now we move into 2 new tracks. One is covering the technical implementation profile for Germany, and this is chaired by the Deutsche German TV-Plattform, Deutschen TV-Plattform, by Remo Vogel and Frank Heineberg. And this is dealing about, let's say, how to implement a service list in the German market. And then, of course, we have regulatory antitrust issues, and this is discussed on a round table headed by the German media authorities. And this includes the 4 involved broadcasters, public and commercial, and they are talking about how they could prepare a market launch in Germany.